If you've watched the show, you've seen me make a chickpea salad sandwich. But today, we're gonna do one that's even closer to its meaty counterpart.
It's good.
What do we call this? An eggless salad sandwich? What you wanna do is you wanna take firm or extra firm tofu, and what do we do first?
Press it.
We pressed it. So what I'm gonna have Ephraim do is just start to break it apart. And you can make this pretty small because you want it to be like the consistency as if you took a hard-boiled egg and mashed it up. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna make the mixture that's gonna make this really, really taste like eggs. What I've got here is just under a half a cup of unsweetened plant milk, a half a cup of soaked cashews. This is what's gonna give it that really nice fatty flavor. Now we're gonna add our seasonings. What we've got here is a combination of 1 teaspoon of turmeric, onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of black salt, also known as calamanach. And what does that do for it?
Makes it taste like egg.
Yeah, it's kind of sulfury, but when you mix it in together, it's really, really nice.
Oh, I can smell the black salt.
Right? Yeah, as soon as you smell it, you're like, oh, that smells like farts. Like farts in a good way. Like, you know how your own farts smell good, but someone else's doesn't? This smells like your own fart.
He's not wrong.
So we're gonna put in 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard and 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Now, we're gonna blend up this mixture. So now what we're gonna do, is that looking good? This is where the magic happens. We're gonna mix in that delicious flavor. Get it nice and coated.
Oh, wow, that smells so much like my farts.
Okay. So now we're gonna add a nice little texture element. So I've got some chopped up diced celery, and then what makes it my favorite, besides all the other delicious things,
Pickles.
that looks like egg salad. So let's make a little sandwich. Let's put a slice of tomato on the bottom. Just put it on all messy like. Here we go. What do you think?
It's good.
I defy anyone to say that doesn't taste like a typical egg salad sandwich, and the pickles are really what makes it magical for me. What's really great about this is you can make a really big batch, and it'll keep in the fridge for quite a few days. This is also really great inside of a wrap, if you wanted to.
Oh, yeah.
What should people do with this sandwich?
Smash into your face.
Oh my goodness.